when you're looking at the music like my soundtrack with the Apple parts. And right here, I picked these from oh yeah, I picked these up from the Apple Store just for picked these up for $30, $29. And this is my soundtrack still it. Yeah, you guys won't say wow, we're called. You got to be fully for you know. I'm awesome and I think it's expensive and I think I'm expensive. So you know, this is my soundtrack for the Apple AirPods. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Guys, let's turn off my fan so it makes no noise. So make it loud. Okay. Guys, ready? Okay, let me just, I'm playing this on game style, like what I do for most of my soundtracks. Here they are, by the way. And an iPhone 4S right now. You know. So this is not the 5, so here they are. Right speaker. Left speaker. This is 100 guys know what I do. Never put them on because they're too loud, you know. Let's start at 20. 25. Perfect already. I can't even hear anything right now. Well, actually I can. You just see that. Okay, 50. A little sound test now. A little leak. A little sound leak. You guys can kinda hear it. Not that you guys can hear that much, but you know. Okay, now 75. You guys see it now. It's not even at 100 yet. See? Not even at 100 yet. You guys can hear it. I'm already hearing it. So like these are, you know, 100 finally. These are at least the sound of the Bose AE2 or OE or IE. That's how they are. Yeah. Subscribe, like, and see you guys next time. Bye.